Yeah, I'm actually alright. Oh my god. Oh, I'm good. So, I've got to change my shoes this morning. And now I'm stuck with these bad boys.
Wait till you see the. No.
Of ASIIMOV.
Yes, my brother.
Did you do that yourself?
Yeah, I painted it.
That's a pretty cracking job, actually. Mate.
Thank you. Ah, fucking Brudge! Brudge! Stop following me, Brudge! I think there's a branch on me. It's okay. Oh. No. Jake, who did what?
Who flung the map?
I haven't got any mud on my shoes.
Oh yeah, but that's him.
Oh wait, no. Oh fuck. The one and only.
How many do we have left?
All but one. Jesus Christ.
Yes,
you know? Really nice,
Thank you. It's very nice. I did. Whoa! That was so fucking close. You friendly? What colour are you? What colour? You haven't got an armband on, dude. You haven't got an armband on. What colour are you? Do you want to call your hit? Are you red?
Yeah, just.
Alright. Yeah, go on, I'm not going to shoot you. You might want to go see a marshal. Huh? You might want to go see a marshal with that.
I thought you were red as well.
Yes! Is that yours? Sure is.
You found it. Nice job.
Oi, oi, oi. That was the first one. Third time today that's fallen out.
Mate, I've got the reset. You're up. Oh my god! Let's get back.
Oh, far left. I just saw a bullet fly. Ah! Good shot. Good! Ah! Ah!
Oh, yes!